Today I'm going to show you 2 ways to use a battery to pump water while out in the wilderness. One of the ways is by using a bilge pump and hooking it up to a 4-wheeler battery, whether the 4-wheeler is actually running or not. If you're wondering how I'm getting water out of this hose, the negative is hooked up to the negative side and the positive is hooked up to the positive terminal. And I can pull this hose as far away as I want, but you may want to turn the 4-wheeler on for any extended usage.